In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Grow a Garden Discord server. This will be quick and straightforward, and I'll give you a few tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Discord. You can use the desktop app, the mobile app, or go to the website in your browser, whatever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use so the server gets added to the right place. Next, look at the list of servers on the left side of Discord. Find the plus icon, which is the option to add a server. Click it and choose Join a Server. This opens a small window where Discord asks for an invitation. You'll see a field labeled Invite Link. That's exactly where we're going to enter the code for the Grow a Garden community. In the invite link field, type Grow a Garden. No spaces, no extra characters, just Grow a Garden. This is a vanity invite, so you don't need to paste a full URL. If you're typing on a phone, double check autocorrect didn't change anything. If Discord autofills or suggests something else, ignore it and enter the text exactly as said. Once it's typed in correctly, select Join Server. Discord will connect and load the server's channels. You'll usually land on a welcome or rules page first. Take a moment to read any community guidelines and, if prompted, accept the rules or complete a quick verification. Some servers also ask you to pick roles or interests to unlock specific channels. Just follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be all set. From here, you can browse the channel list on the left, open announcements to stay updated, and visit introductions if you'd like to say hello. If notifications feel too busy, click the server name at the top and adjust your notification settings to mentions only or mute specific channels you don't need. That way you get the updates that matter without the noise. If you run into issues, here are a few quick checks. If you see invite invalid, confirm the spelling of Grow a Garden and try again. Make sure your Discord app is up to date and that your account is verified with email or phone if Discord asks for it. If you're already in a lot of servers, you may need to leave one before joining another. That's it. Once you see the Grow a Garden channels, you've joined successfully. Enjoy the community and happy gardening.